The magical little train, choo-choo, choo-choo, come along. Hop on board and sing our song. Through the morning, soft and bright, little train is full of light. Rolling through the meadow green, prettiest place we've ever seen. Flowers dancing in the breeze, butterflies are by the trees. Choo-choo, choo-choo, wheels go round, making such a happy sound. Choo-choo, choo, all aboard, magic rides we all adore. Over bridges, through the hills, past the rivers, past the mills. Look up high, the clouds are white, birds are flying in the light. Sunshine sparkles on the stream, everything feels like a dream. Chugga-chugga, soft and slow, through the golden fields we go. Little stars begin to shine, moonlight makes the train look fine. Choo-choo, choo-choo, don't you cry, wave goodbye as we pass by. Tomorrow we'll come back again for another magical train. Round and round the wheels will sing, joy and laughter they will bring. Choo-choo, choo-choo.